In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the MSTeams Autostarter.exe error in Microsoft Teams. We'll start with the simplest solution first, because sometimes this issue is just a temporary Windows or app startup glitch. Click Start, choose Power, and then select Restart. Once your computer boots back up, check whether the error still appears. Restarting is often the first troubleshooting step recommended for app-related problems, and it can quickly resolve background process issues. If the error is still there, the next thing to try is repairing Microsoft Teams. Press Windows and I to open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, and search for Microsoft Teams. Click the three dots next to it, choose Advanced Options, scroll down to the Reset section, and click Repair. Wait for Windows to complete the process, then open Teams again. The repair option is useful because it attempts to fix the app without removing your saved data. If repairing Teams doesn't work, go back to the same area in Settings, find Microsoft Teams again, open Advanced Options, scroll down, and click Reset. Confirm the reset, restart your computer, and then try opening Teams again. Keep in mind that resetting can remove local app data and personalization settings, so you may need to sign in again or reconfigure a few preferences afterward. If the error appears specifically during Windows startup, it's a good idea to temporarily disable Teams from starting automatically. Press Ctrl, Shift, and S key to open Task Manager, go to Startup Apps, find Microsoft Teams, right-click it, and choose Disable. Then restart your computer. This helps prevent Windows from launching the problematic startup component while you continue troubleshooting. Next, make sure Windows itself is up to date. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, click Check for Updates, install anything available, and then restart your PC. Outdated system files can sometimes cause compatibility issues with apps like Teams. You can also clear the Teams cache. First, close Microsoft Teams completely. Press Windows and R, then enter the Teams cache folder path shown on screen and press Enter. Delete the files and folders inside that location, restart your computer, and then open Teams again. Teams will rebuild its cache automatically, which can often clear up corrupted local data. If the